I'm Mr. Steven. I'm one of the faculty members here at the English department. I teach a range of courses, but one of the main ones that I teach is English 101, which is our introduction for a lot of students to the department, but also it's one of their core requirements. What do we do in English 101? We master the art of argumentation, arguing with each other, how to disagree with each other effectively, how to persuade someone of your opinion, your point of view. There's actually an art form, there's techniques, there's strategies to do that effectively, and those are the sorts of things we cover in that class, anything from logic to being able to do public speaking effectively, debates, and things of that nature. English department is the world literature course. And that one's very exciting. It's a higher level course. It tends to be designed more as a seminar, so we have very intimate discussions with our students. And what do we discuss? What do we read? We are reading the literature of the world. And that includes, ancient Japanese literature all the way back to Genesis, Old Testament. We read the Bhagavad Gita, and we go up in time until the modern era as well, and so we read some modern novels too. So it's really a nice slice of the entire history and range of traditions that we see in literature, and it's an exciting course that a lot of students enjoy. So that's one of the things we offer as well at the English department.